Hello, friends. I'm so happy to see you today. Can you wave hello? Good job. Today we are going on a very special trip. We are going to visit a farm. A farm is a wonderful place with big green fields and a big red barn. So many amazing animals live on the farm. They eat yummy grass and sleep in the cozy barn. Are you ready to meet some new animal friends? I am so excited. We will learn all about them and the special sounds they make. It's going to be so much fun. Let's get our listening ears ready. Can you point to your ears? Good job. Our ears are ready to hear all the farm sounds. Look, friends. Look who it is. It's a cow. Can you say cow? Cow. Good job. This cow is so beautiful. See its big, gentle eyes. This cow has big black and white spots all over its body. The cow is standing in the green grass. Do you know what sound a cow makes? Let's listen very carefully. What does the cow say? The cow says, moo. Can you say that with me? Let's say it together. Moo! Look over there. Can you see that muddy puddle? There is an animal playing in the mud. It's a pig. Can you say pig? Pig. Amazing. This pig is pink and has a very cute curly tail. Look at its nose. A pig's nose is called a snout, and it's flat and round. I wonder what sound the pig makes. Do you know what the pig says? The pig says, oink. Can you make that sound with me? Oink, oink. Good job. That was a perfect oink. Let's walk very carefully over here, near the big red barn. Look down on the ground. Do you see that little bird walking around? It's a chicken. Can you say chicken? Chicken. Wonderful. This chicken is a beautiful brown color, and it has a red thing on top of its head called a comb. See its little beak? It's pecking at the ground. Peck, peck, peck. The chicken is looking for seeds and yummy bugs to eat. I think it wants to talk to us. Do you know what sound a chicken makes? The chicken says, cluck. Can you make that sound? Cluck, cluck, cluck. Good job. Look over there in the big green meadow. Do you see those fluffy white clouds moving on the grass? Wait a minute, those aren't clouds. It's a sheep. And there's more than one. Can you say sheep? Sheep. Excellent. This sheep has a thick coat of soft white wool. It looks so warm and cozy, like a big fluffy blanket. They love to stay together in a group called a flock. One of the sheep is opening its mouth. Are you listening? What sound does a sheep make? The sheep says, baa. Can you say that with me? Baa, baa. That was so good. Wow! Look at this magnificent animal. It's so tall and strong. It's a horse. Can you say horse? Horse? Good job. This horse is a beautiful brown color with a long flowing tail and a mane. The mane is the long hair on its neck. Horses are amazing runners. They have long, strong legs that help them run very, very fast across the fields. Gallop, gallop, gallop. Can you pat your legs to make a galloping sound? Pat, 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 pat. Good galloping. I think it wants to say hello. Do you know what sound a horse makes? The horse says, neigh. It's a big, loud sound. Can you try to make a horse sound with me? Let's be a big, strong horse. Neigh. Let's walk over to the shiny blue pond. Look at the animals swimming in the water. They are ducks. Can you say duck? Duck. Perfect. Look at them gliding so smoothly on the water. This duck has a bright green head and a yellow beak. They have special feet called webbed feet, which are perfect for paddling in the water. Paddle, paddle, paddle. They can also waddle on land. Can you waddle like a duck? Waddle, waddle, waddle. Good job waddling. The mommy is talking to her ducklings. What sound is she making? The duck says, quack. Can you say that with me? Quack, quack. That was a great quack. Our last stop on the farm tour is over here by this little rocky hill. Who is that climbing up there? It's a goat. Can you say goat? Goat? Very good. This goat is white and has two little horns on its head and a funny little beard on its chin. Goats are amazing climbers. They have special hooves that help them climb on rocks and hills without falling. Look at it go. It's so good at balancing. Goats are very curious and playful animals. It's opening its mouth to make a sound. Do you know what sound a goat makes? The goat says meh. It's a funny, shaky sound. Can you try to make a goat sound? Meh. Meh. Good job. What a wonderful day we have had on the farm. We met so many incredible animal friends. I am so proud of you for being so kind and for learning all their special sounds. Now let's see if we can remember all of them together. Are you ready for a fun review? I know you are. Let's think about the first friend we met. The very big animal with black and white spots. Who was that? It was the cow. And what does the cow say? The cow says, "Moo. Can you do a big moo?" Moo! Fantastic! Next, we met our friend who loves to play in the mud. Who was the pink animal with the curly tail? It was the pig. That's right. And what does the pig say? The pig says, "Oink, oink. Can you wiggle your nose and oink?" Oink, oink. Good job. You learned all the farm animal sounds. Moo, oink, cluck, ba, neigh, quack, and meh. Thank you for coming to the farm with me today. You are so smart. Goodbye, friends.